It's 2:20 a.m. And you know what that means? Let's get outside. Happy travels. Happy holidays, everybody. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. A lot of people wanted to see behind the scenes what the snow clearing looks like early in the morning. That's what this video is. Hope you enjoy this one. It's a fun one. I just wanted to give a quick shout out and say thank you very much to those who have bought me a coffee recently on Ko-Fi. Very much appreciated. If you would like to shout me a coffee, you can find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, and I'll keep throwing out more of these videos on the channel. Thank you and enjoy. Here we are, waiting to clear the snow. It's my neighbor over there. There's a giant snow clearing machine, bringing all the snow. Oh, baby. Nuts. Okay, I'll get my shovel. Fast sweep. Myoko Japan. This dude ready to go. We're waiting for it. I'll get my shovel. Buy a house in snow country Japan. Yeah, that was a good idea. I'm loving it. I'm loving this. Yes! Another night cleared. Cleared the level. This is what it is, waking up at 2:30 in the morning by these guys driving through, and it is your chance to have your property cleared. And I'm so glad it's done because we got more snow coming. It just doesn't stop. We have to get out here and clear this snow, otherwise it just piles up. And I've still got to clear my roof up there, you see? I got to clear my roof space. That's gonna fall on the ground. It needs to be taken away. And you see everyone coming outside, clearing their spot and getting back to sleep, getting back to bed. I have nothing but respect for my neighbors here. They're awesome. 2:30 in the morning and we're out here clearing snow. These guys are an inspiration. And these dudes out here doing this, they're not spring chickens. They're older guys in their 70s and 80s. It's incredible. The one thing that I have against me in my spot is that I've got this other road here, you see? So we've cleared this road. This one's done. It is spick and span. Look at this. This is the road right here. It's cleared right down to the road. I have another road behind me that accesses the side of my house. That gets cleared at another time. It might be in an hour, it might be in 3 hours. I won't know until I hear the trucks again, but I gotta get up again for a second time and come back out. So I might be back on here a bit later on. You might see me or I might end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this. Otherwise you might see a little bit more, we'll see. I might not even wake up for it. Life in snow country Japan. Buy a house in the snow country, I thought. What a great idea. And this is part of it. This is all part of the exercise, physical and mental exercise. It's wonderful. Get a house in Japan in the snow country. Could you do this? Are you one of the people that does this? Mad respect to those people out here doing this. Anyone who's dealing with these elements across the world. Respect to everybody. Drop some comments down there. Let's discuss snow clearing at 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, non-stop for 4 months. I'm dressed all business up the top. I was prepared with a jacket. Underneath, I'm just in my Jimmy Jams. And down the bottom, I'm doing the Jimmy Jams too. We have no way of knowing when they're coming. They just come and then you have to be ready for it, just straight into it. I don't have time to get changed. I gotta run out there and clear my snow before they leave. It's all part of our efficiency system here in Japan. Are you up for it? I don't believe it. It's round 2. It's 3 a.m., 30 minutes later. And I'm going back outside. Here it is. Out the window. Okay. Alright, back outside. It's gonna be a long night. Jacket, pajamas, jacket. Back to the action. Here we go. I don't know about you guys, but I'm surprised Japan isn't famous for some brand, some winter brand that's doing winter clothes. They've got Montbell, but some really, I don't think they get enough respect for the brands, for the winter brands here, because lifestyle here is just different. Back again. Oh, look at that sweep. This guy's done a really nice clean sweep right down the street, but I'm gonna have to clear a lot of this snow. Let's find a good spot for the camera set up. It's the next day and I slept in. But as you can see, it was all worth that major effort in the morning. And it's not too much effort. I guess the main thing is that it's kind of a terrible time to wake up and start clearing snow. Now this road is all clear behind me. I've removed as much snow as I can. We're gonna get another dump tonight. The garage at the front is all cleared and the car space is cleared pretty well. People are wondering why I'm parking outside and not in the shed. Firstly, I leave the shed for my girlfriend to park. She has a job and she's got to work, so I want her to be able to easily get out in the morning. She still has to probably clear at the front here and her car is ready to go. So that's awesome. And I just like clearing the snow. My car also probably wouldn't fit that easily into the shed. I could get it in there, but I just wouldn't want to anyway. And I want my girlfriend to have the comfort of waking up and just driving off to work in the morning. The front of the house is really clean. This is nice and tidy here, but the whole street really works hard to keep it clean and tidy here. You can still hear snow clearing happening now. Here they are. Thank you for joining another one of my videos. So happy for you to be here. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, support the channel. And if you really liked the video, feel free to buy me a coffee on Ko-Fi. I really appreciate that. You'll find the link in the description. Stay safe out there and happy holidays! Enjoy the winter wherever you are in the world. Happy travels!